Hi, this is Joe. I'm an industrial maintenance technician. And when I first started, I didn't know what basic carry was or what you should have on your first day. So I'm going to go through and explain a little bit on what I think you should have on the very first day. So first, get some composite tows. I know that steel toe is great, but industrial maintenance, you might be having to do some type of electrical work, and it's just a little bit safer. You also don't want to have anything fall onto your feet, so get you something. If they require you to have composite toe, get that, or if they don't, I still think composite toe is a really good thing to have. So after that, get you some type of multi-tool. I have the Leatherman Wave Plus. This thing has treated me so well. I use it at home, I use it at work. This thing is great. Get you an adjustable wrench. This is a vintage Proto. I like vintage stuff. I think it's cool to get something that was made decades before I was born, still in use. I think that is super fun. A multi-screwdriver. So you're going to run into a bunch of different fasteners. This is a 14-in-1 by Klein. It's great. And some type of way to see what you're working on in the dark, whether that be a pen flashlight, induction, or inspection flashlight like this one. Just get you something that you can see. I've even used the flashlight on my phone. That works in a pinch, but I've also dropped it in glaze. That wasn't fun to clean out. So after that, get you something to put it all in. You can carry all this stuff in your pocket, but my pockets are a bit deep and I always lose stuff in it like that. Or it's hard to get to, or my hands are dirty. I don't want to stick my dirty hands in my pocket and make my pocket all dirty. So I hope this helps you out, guys. Let me know if you have any questions, or let me know what you carry. I think we need a little bit more information out there in industrial maintenance because everything breaks. It's job security. And I think it's fun to clean stuff, or I think it's fun to fix stuff.